So in this
The
reaction,
copper-
we will observe again the same thing which we are observing from first. Understand? So now observe first. Copper oxide is turning into copper. So losing oxygen. Losing oxygen. What we should call? Losing oxygen. Losing oxygen. Reduced.
Reduction.
So this is called as what?
Reduction.
Reduction. Very good. Next. Hydrogen is gaining oxygen. Gaining oxygen. Adding.
Oxidation.
What about others? Addition. So that oxidation. Oxidation. Are you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So reduced substance is CO, oxidized substance is H2. Now who is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Who is supplying oxygen?
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide, sir.
Copper
Reducing
oxide.
agent. Reducing agent.
Hydrogen, sir.
Hydrogen.
That's understand it. Next, substance oxidized. Substance oxidized.
Hydrogen.
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 Hydrogen,
Substance
sir.
reduced.
Copper oxide.
Copper oxide.
Substance reduced. Copper oxide. Now you understand or not how to find?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In same way, we
Yes,
should
sir.
find for everything. So now let us go for next reaction.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Right, next reaction. First, sample problem 1. Example 1, you write. Sample problem 1. Numerical. Numerical in the sense of exercise. Right, first one. Sample problem 1. I will give only the reaction. You have to write. Right. Name the substances oxidized. Name the substances oxidized. Name the substances oxidized. Oxidized and substances reduced. Substances reduced in the following reaction. In the following reaction. All of you, Ganapati, good morning. Now,
Good morning, sir.
is sulfur dioxide plus H2S, hydrogen sulfide, which will give you, understanding, H2O plus sulfur. 2H2O plus sulfur. Now, here, who is oxidizing, who is reducing, everything clearly I want to know. Please tell me. Answer. What this much time you people are taking? So now, first to observe, SO2 is turning into S. SO2 is turning into S. So means in the sense of what? SO2 is turning into S.
Reducing.
Ah,
Reducing. Reducing.
changing into S. So this is removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen. So what we should call?
Substance reduced, sir.
Reduce, sir. Reduction. Reduction.
Reduction.
Reduction.
Reduction. All of you remember. Reduction. So the removal of understanding. Removal of hydrogen, removal of oxygen is called as reduction. Now, SO2 is being reduced to S. That's all. So the substance being reduced is sulfur dioxide, like as well as H2S. H2S is also changing into S. So now here water is like, water is a what? It's a waste product coming from oxygen and sulfur. That is what? Oxygen and hydrogen. So only you should find sulfur here. H2S is turning into S. Is it correct or not?
Here also reduction only, sir.
H2S is changing into S. So again the removal of hydrogen from H2. Again what we can say?
Removal of hydrogen, sir.
Again removal of hydrogen.
Oxidation.
Is changing into S.
Removal of hydrogen, sir. Oxidation.
Removal of hydrogen. So what we should call? Removal of
Oxidation.
hydrogen. What we should call?
Oxidation, sir.
Oxidation.
So that is alone you should remember. Sir, then what about H2O, sir? Here we added oxygen, correct, sir, then oxidation. No, because this is hydrogen and oxygen from here. They are combining and coming as a product. That doesn't matter. Water we don't care. If suppose water alone is coming, then we have to consider it. But yeah, sulfur, the hydrogen sulfide is turning into yes. That you should remember. How it is changing. Understand? So that is what we want. Are you people understand, Ra?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in this reaction, oxidation, H2S is turning into S is oxidation. SO2 is turning into S is reduction. Note it down, all of you. Is it little bit tricky some or not? So people will think that
Yes, sir.
removal of oxygen, reduction, this is, oh, then immediately this will become oxidation. Is it yes or no? 100% people will do the same. I know. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
Be
sir.
very careful. That is what I am saying. You have to make such a difference. People will think that this is reduction means definitely this from here to here oxidation. That is not. We have to remember the concept. Understand? So I hope you understand well. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Sample problem 2. All of you write. Next. Sample problem 2. Can I erase this, Ra? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you understand this, then the concept is right. Next one. Select the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent here. Select the oxidizing agent, not oxidation. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. And the reducing agent from the following reaction. From the following reaction. From the following reaction. Can you say the reaction now? Select the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent from the following reaction. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, reacting with iodine. It will give us understanding. Hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide. First time you are hearing this word. Note it down. Hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide. Understanding? Hydrogen iodide plus which will come sulfur. So now here who is oxidizing agent and oxidizing reducing agent. Now observe very carefully. Here also the same thing. Hydrogen sulfide is turning
Sir,
into,
H2S becomes, yes, sir.
yeah,
Hydrogen is reduced.
hydrogen sulfide
Oxidation.
is changing into sulfur. Means this is removal of hydrogen from H2S. So by definition,
Yes, sir. Reduction. Reduction
removal of
agent
hydrogen.
H2S.
Removal of hydrogen is known as what? Removal of
Reduction.
hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen.
Oxidation, sir.
Removal of hydrogen.
Yes, sir. Oxidation. Oxidation. Removal of
Removal
hydrogen.
of hydrogen is called as oxidation. So
Oxidation.
here hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to which one? Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to
Sulfur.
oxidized to sulfur. Understanding? Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. So iodine, next one you see, iodine is removing the hydrogen from H2S. Iodine is removing H2S, hydrogen from sulfur. So removing hydrogen, then who is the oxidizing agent? Removing sulfur, removing hydrogen. Oxidizing agent. Who is removing?
H2S, sir.
What is oxidizing agent?
H2S.
My definition of oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent, definition of oxidizing agent. Please keep a notebook and tell me. Either it means
Carries oxygen or removes hydrogen for the reaction.
that is now yes. Who is removing hydrogen? Who is removing hydrogen? No addition of oxygen. But who is removing
Iodine.
hydrogen here? Who is removing hydrogen?
iodine.
H2S.
Iodine.
Iodine. H2S what? What, Yalini? What are you thinking? I am saying that removing the hydrogen from H2S. Who is doing that? Iodine is doing.
Iodine.
Iodine is called as oxidizing agent. Are you understanding that?
Yes, sir.
Observe very carefully. Next, I2 is changing into HI. I2 is changing into HI. I2 is changing into HI. So what will happen? Addition of hydrogen to iodine. Addition of hydrogen.
Oxidation. Reduction, sir.
Addition of
Reduction.
hydrogen.
Reduction.
Addition of hydrogen.
Reduction, sir.
Hydrogen process is called as what?
Reduction.
Reduction.
Reduction, sir.
Reduction. So therefore we can say that iodine is being reduced. Iodine is being reduced. Reduced to what? Reducing to hydrogen iodide. So hydrogen sulfide is supplying hydrogen. Who is supplying hydrogen? Hydrogen sulfide. So what we can say that hydrogen sulfide is a what?
Reducing agent.
Reducing agent. So many is unconscious state, not at all even thinking anything. Understand? That is what. Even if you don't know oxidizing agent, first you can see source of hydrogen here, H2S, so that reducing agent. Automatically remaining one will become oxidizing agent. Yes or Nora?
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt, sir.
Ask
Sir, I
me.
have a doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, in the previous that H2O, why you didn't consider that? I did not understand, sir.
Water.
Sir, in the previous you did not
What? Previous sum?
Water, why you didn't consider for this?
Because water is not considered because this is the extra product which is coming from waste of SO2 and waste of H2S. It is not, no reduction, no oxidation is taking place.
but for the previous we took no.
Ma, that is one way. Okay, you do this. I will teach that. Finish. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now you see last question. Previous question you will observe. SO2. SO2 is reacting with what is that? H2S, hydrogen sulfide, which will form water plus sulfur. This is only. Is it correct or not? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now you observe here how it is changing only is matters. Understand? So now SO2 is changing into what? Yes only. Oxygen is removed. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is also. Oxygen is removed. Removed of oxygen, what we should call?
Reduction.
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 Removed of oxygen is reduction. Now you see H2S, hydrogen sulfide is also changing into sulfur only, not changing into water. Here oxygen is coming extra and in this hydrogen is coming extra. They are two combining and they are forming water. So water is extra substance here. Understand? No reaction is that is, it is not oxidation and it is not reduction. So here also hydrogen sulfide is changing into sulfur only. So now hydrogen is removed. Removed hydrogen, what we should call? Removing hydrogen.
Oxidation.
Understanding? That is why we won't consider water here. Understand, Ashika? And who is the oxidizing agent here? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent.
SO2, sir.
SO2.
Reducing agent. Reducing agent.
H2S.
H2S, hydrogen sulfide. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So,
Note it down, all of you.
then if only hydrogen is there, we should consider it as well.
Amma, you remember only if here these extra products are coming, there is no reaction is taking place there. Here from hydrogen, here from oxygen, both are reacting and they are forming water. But there is no oxidation, there is no reduction. We only will consider either adding of oxygen or removing of oxygen, or adding of hydrogen or removing of hydrogen. Here oxygen is there, oxygen is removed. Here hydrogen is there, hydrogen is removed. That's all. Understand? Understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. So this is the sample paper 1 and 2. Right? Next one, next question. If you are trying to solve 1 or 2 questions, then only you will get it. Next question you write. Identify the substances Identify the substance. Identify the substance. Okay, Kevin. Identify the substance that is oxidized. That is oxidized. That is oxidized. And the substance that is reduced in the following reaction. Reduced in the following reaction. Okay, da. See, oxidation means metal based. Also, I have taught you definition. Is it correct or not? Adding of metal. What we used to call oxidation or reduction? Adding of metal. Oxidation or reduction?
Reduction.
Reduction. Adding of non-metal. Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Let us see. That is also definition. Later, with the electrons will come. Removing of electrons. Understanding. Oxidation. Adding of electrons. Reduction. That is also you should note it down. Removing of electrons. Oxidation. Adding of electrons. Reduction. You people remember or not? That is also you note it down. So now reaction is sodium reacting with oxygen gas. Sodium reacting with oxygen gas, which will form sodium oxide, Na2O, solid. Now, which is oxidizing, which is reducing? Tell me fast. Use brain. Addition of metals, non-metals here. So now first one, single products are, how we can find? Very easy. Sodium is changing into sodium oxide. So addition of oxygen, what we should call? Sodium is changing into sodium oxide.
Oxidation.
Addition of oxygen. Oxygen added.
Oxidation.
So what we should call?
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Very good. Next, observe very carefully. Oxygen is changing into how, Ram? Oxygen is changing into how again? Oxygen is changing into how? Huh? Oxygen is changing into how? Sodium oxide only, correct or not? So in this reaction, oxygen is, we are adding what? We are adding metal for the oxygen. So metal adding metal. So what we should call that one?
Reductions.
Reduction, that's all. Understand? So the addition of metal, sodium to the oxygen. So by definition, the addition of metal is called as reduction. So that the substance reduced is oxygen, the substance oxidized is sodium. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
How many of you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
now. Clear? Any doubt?
Sir, you said no, sir, that the electron.
Removing of electrons. Removing of electrons, oxidation. Removing of electrons, oxidation. Addition of electrons, reduction. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it completed, Ra? Right, next one. Which of the statements about the reaction below are incorrect? Which of the statements? Write the equation. Which of the statements about the reaction below are incorrect? Below are incorrect. So the reaction is 2PbO plus C, carbon, reacting, which will form.
Sir, can you repeat it once again?
Which of the following statements are incorrect? Which of the following statements about the reaction below are incorrect? Pb plus, understanding, CO2 gas. So this is the reaction. Now, option 1, incorrect statement you should find. Lead is getting reduced. Lead is getting reduced. Incorrect only, everybody should find. Next, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Carbon dioxide is oxidized. Option C, carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized. And option D, lead oxide is getting reduced. Lead oxide is getting reduced. So find the wrong statements. If you use brain, you will get it.
Find wrong statement only.
Ah. Is it completed, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the wrong
Carbon
statement?
dioxide is
Carbon dioxide is
Carbon
oxidized.
dioxide is oxidized.
What are you talking? Find the correct one. First statement you see, lead is getting reduced. Is it lead is getting reduced?
No,
Is it
Sir,
lead is
A
not
only,
reduced?
sir. A
Ah,
only. A
A,
only
A.
incorrect, sir.
Lead oxide is getting reduced. So that only first one is wrong. Next one. Carbon dioxide is oxidized, they are saying that. So
Sir,
carbon
the C
dioxide
one
is
is also
getting,
wrong, sir. Carbon is getting
carbon
this.
dioxide is
Carbon-
oxidized or carbon is oxidized?
Carbon is oxidized.
Carbon is oxidized. So that carbon dioxide is wrong. That's all. So that A and B are wrong statements and C and D are correct statements. Correct or not?
Sir,
sir.
correct, no, sir.
You understood or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the thing. Now, I will give one question now. All of you try to answer that question. All of you, let me see who will answer first. Write the question. A shiny brown colored element, 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 a shiny brown colored element a shiny brown colored element X, a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air, on heating in air, on heating in air, on heating in air becomes black in color, becomes black in color, black in color. By this time you may get the compound, black in color. Name the element X.
Sir, I found, sir.
Yeah, name the element X and the black colored compound form, and the black colored compound form. Name the element X and the black colored compound form. Answer.
Sir, copper
Copper. X
and
is
copper oxide.
X is
Copper
copper. So that if we start heating in oxygen, which used to form
Copper oxide, sir. Copper oxide. Copper
Copper
oxide.
oxide. That copper oxide is only called as copper 2 oxide. Is it correct or not? That's all. Understanding?
Yes,
So all of you do it.
Okay.
Copper 2 oxide. That is very simple. Is it easy or difficult? But so many don't know.
Easy only.
Black
Easy.
substance. Black substance means copper. Understand, Ra? Yes or no? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So if you
sir.
understand this, then we'll go for the last concept in this chapter. Understanding, that is only called as the effect of oxidation, effect of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Effect of oxidation reaction in everyday life. All of you keep heading. Effects of oxidation. Effects of oxidation. Effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life. Reactions in everyday life. Is it okay, Ra? Shall we start now? Yes or no? So, as we know that because of this oxidation, you people may don't know what is the oxidation, but because of this oxidation, understanding, we people facing a biggest problem in our nature is corrosion. Have you noticed it? All the metals, if you are exposing to the atmosphere, they will get corroded. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You may have heard that rusting of iron is one of also process of corrosion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, let us comes to here now. Oxidation, understanding, because of oxidation, we are having a damaging effect on both metals as well as on our food. If we expose the metals, then the metals also will damage, as well as our food also will get damaged if we expose to the atmosphere. Means food will become unfit for eating, consuming. So now, this damaging effects of oxidation on metals is studied as corrosion. What we used to call? Only metals damaging is called as corrosion. Understanding, Amma? And the food is studied as rancidity. What we used to call? Rancidity. So now we will see there are two common effects of oxidation reactions which we observe in our daily life. That is only called as what, Amma? One is oxidation and another one is what? One is oxidation and another one is what? Sorry, one is corrosion and another one is
Rancidity.
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 Understand? So now let us study one by one. Understanding. So effects of oxidation reactions in our everyday life, we have two effects. One is corrosion of metals. Next one is rancidity of food. So now all of you keep heading first one, right? All of you. There are two common effects of oxidation reactions. There are two common reactions. There are there are two common effects of oxidation reactions. There are two common effects of oxidation reactions which we observe in daily life. First one, corrosion of metals. Second one, what is the second one? Rancidity of food.
Sir, can you please repeat that again, sir?
There are two common effects of oxidation reactions which we observe in daily life. One is corrosion of metals, second one is rancidity of food. Is it okay? Ma, who is absentees? Can you say the names, please?
Yes, sir.
Just I want to intimate them. Who is absentees? Still, you can see your friends' names. Those who are missing, you can say me. Jesse is there?
Yes, sir.
Ma?
No,
14,
sir.
3 fellows is
She
absent.
is not there, sir.
Jessie didn't come, sir.
Jesse, Pranita is there.
Pranita came, sir. Pranita came.
Jesse, and boys, na?
Pranavahari.
Pranav is not there. Two fellows. Next to one more.
Pranavahari, sir.
Jesse, Pranav, and next
Varshini Bensi.
Vashni Bensi, sir.
Varshini. What
Varshini
about-
Vashni
Bensi.
Bensi.
Okay, what happened to Varshini? Okay, that's all. You continue. So that is now.
She said got cold.
Yeah, what am I? She said?
She got cold like this. She said.
Okay, no issues. Now we will
Cold.
see. So now we will describe these two effects caused by the process of oxidation in somewhat more in detail. We will study how this oxidation is taking place in metals and as well as in food. So please note that the oxidation involved in the corrosion of metals as well as rancidity of food is caused naturally by the oxygen present in air, not by we are adding oxygen. Understand? The oxygen which is present in air, naturally present. Understand? Oxygen present in air. Because of this is only happening. So the oxidation caused by the oxygen of air is sometimes, understanding, is also we used to known as aerial oxidation. This is the most important thing. We used to call it as aerial oxidation. This is the oxidation taking place by oxygen present in where, Amma? Present in atmosphere. So that is why, that is why this is called as aerial oxidation also. You can remember that. You want, you can write it. The oxidation caused by the oxygen of air. The oxidation caused by the oxygen of air. The oxidation caused by the oxygen of air is also known as aerial oxidation. Aerial oxidation. Is it okay? Now, all of you keep first heading, Roman number 1, subheading, first heading, corrosion. 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 And listen. And listen, later only we'll study. Corrosion. Understand? C-O-R-R-O-S-I-O-N. Corrosion. Shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Now, listen all of you first. So what is the meaning of corrosion means? This is the process of metals, understanding, in metals which are continuously eaten or damaged gradually by the action of air. That's all. Understand? So this is the damaging the metals gradually by the action of air, moisture, or any kind of chemicals which are present in the atmosphere. Because of the chemicals like acids on their surfaces, because of this, if the metals is going to lose their life or going to change their chemical formula, then that process is called as corrosion. So this corrosion is caused mainly by the oxidation of metals by the only oxygen of air. It is taking place by what? Oxygen of air. That is why it is called as oxidation reaction. So, for example, if we'll take a common metal which we used to observe in our daily life, iron. So iron also called as corrosion only. Iron it will spoil when we will expose to atmosphere is called as corrosion. But particularly for iron, corrosion of iron, we have a common name for that. That is only called as Yeah, that is only, sir. How zinc will prevent the zinc is less reactive than iron. Understand, Dina? Less reactive in the sense of it is it will start reacting initially and it will form zinc oxides, but zinc oxides is unreactive, so that it will be working as a protective layer. Understand? Iron will be safe. Then I will say that preventing methods of corrosion. You don't worry. First you listen. So now if you take iron, rusting of iron. This is a common
Rusting of iron.
Yeah, rusting of iron is the common thing which you heard. This is the common corrosion we can call. They may ask you the question. What is the most common form of corrosion? What is that? Rusting of iron.
Iron.
Rusting of iron metal is the most common form of corrosion. Most common form of corrosion is rusting of iron. So when an iron object is left in damp air means, remember, a moisture containing air. Damp air which contains moisture. Damp air. Understand? Damp air for a considerable time means like a 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, like that. Understand? Then it will get covered with a red brown flaky substances called as rust. Understand? If you will expose to this iron metal to the atmosphere in a damp air, then after getting on considerable time, then it will get forming on the surface. It will be start forming on a flaky substances. You can see that rusting like a slate. We can remove it. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why that substance is called as a red brown flaky substances. L is silent. Red brown. So this red brown substance is only called as what?
Rust.
Rust. Understand? So red brown substance is only called as what was to call? Rust. Understand? So this is only called as what, Amma? This process is called as what? Rusting of iron. What was to call? Rusting of
Rusting of iron.
iron. Understand? So now
Iron.
we will see what is happening during this reaction. If you expose the metal to the atmosphere, what is happening? Let us see now. So first you write the definition. Corrosion. Corrosion. Corrosion is the process. Corrosion is the process. Corrosion is the process